How to make money on OnlyFans 2022. No matter if you're a big or small creator account, you have the potential to earn on OnlyFans. That's because the OnlyFans platform is packed with all kinds of monetization features to help you turn your talents and passions into income. Having a solid grasp of these features will set you up for success on OnlyFans. This is Norbipole TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's dive into how to make money on OnlyFans. 1. Paid subscriptions. Paid subscriptions are, by far, the most popular way creators on OnlyFans choose to monetize their content. By going the paid subscription route, you're putting all your OnlyFans content behind a paywall. Only users who pay your monthly subscription price will be able to see your posts, stories, or streams. Paid subscriptions come with many benefits to you as a creator because they instantly create exclusivity and curiosity around your content. Bring consistency and predictability to your earnings. Create tangible value to all of your hard work to creator. Encourage and celebrate loyalty from your subscribers and fans. Make content creation incredibly rewarding. Obviously, you can't expect to attract new subscribers to your OnlyFans account just by paywalling your entire account. That's where the built-in promotional campaigns and subscription bundles features come into play. Put simply, promotional campaigns allow you to extend discounts ranging from 5% to 100% off your monthly subscription price to bring in new subscribers. On the other hand, subscription bundles allow you to offer a 5% to 70% discount to loyal fans who want to prepay for several months at a time. To set a subscription price or discount, go to Settings and click Subscription Price and Bundles. 2. Paid posts. We can't say this enough, free OnlyFans accounts can still make money. In fact, many creators with free subscription accounts earn just as much as those with paid subscription accounts. One of the ways to monetize with a free account is to put some of your posts behind a paywall. Paid posts immediately stand out in your feed as something special to subscribers. Chances are, if your subscribers are already digging your free OnlyFans content, they'll be inclined to pay extra to satisfy their curiosity. To enable paid posts, go to Compose New Post and click on the post price icon. 3. Paid messages. Unlike paid posts, paid messages, or PPV messages, are available to both free and paid subscription accounts. They allow you to reach some or all of your fans over direct message and give them the chance to pay to view a variety of content. PPV messages are particularly effective because they require you to engage directly with your fans. When done right, subscribers will feel like they're receiving a personal invitation to unlock your most exclusive content. There's an additional perk for creators with free OnlyFans pages. You have the option to set up your account so that viewers must first tip in order to message you. This way, you'll only hear from fans that truly value you and your content. In general, messaging on OnlyFans is a powerful tool you can use to connect more meaningfully with your community. Many creators take the time to welcome new subscribers personally, send mass messages to all their fans with important updates and offers. 4. Live streaming. Another exclusive for free accounts is the ability to charge viewers to access your live streams. Think of PPV streams, or payment-gated streams, like selling tickets to live events like concerts, classes, or fashion shows. Plus, you can set your ticket price as low as $5. Streaming offers fans a whole new way to experience their favorite creators. They create a sense of authenticity, intimacy, and community between creators and fans. You can even co-stream with another creator so you both earn from going live. 5. Tipping. Your fans can opt to show their appreciation by sending you a tip. As long as you have 5 or more posts on your page, subscribers can tip directly to your profile, on your posts, through messages, during streams, and on your stories. Many creators create a tip menu offering custom content or engagement in exchange for a specific tip amount. 6. Fundraising. Your fans want to know what's important to you, including which charitable causes you're passionate about. Fundraising on OnlyFans is a great way to share this side of you with your fans, and raise money for a good cause while you're at it. Just write a post explaining your fundraiser, and set a target for donations. Select the options for donation levels, and click post. Now that you understand OnlyFans monetization tools, it's time to start thinking about customizing your own approach to make money. Check out creative ways to make money on OnlyFans to see what's possible. This is Norbipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video.